if we can proceed. Just a couple of configurations that I need to check. Here, da 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 da, da da da, da 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 da. Perfect. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I am actually going to remove my headphones because enough of headphones, and I want to put down my music, my media. Why am I doing it? It's because I'm tired of YouTube blocking my stuff. I'm gonna keep it on Twitch a little bit, but that's all. And by the way, I can see there is Mu and G Law followed me. Thank you so much for follow. So let's take a look and see what we can do for our chess. And I'm also gonna take a look what is going on YouTube video. Well, last time checking the audio, last stream, we were suffering so much with audios. So it is good on YouTube and on Twitch. It's actually perfect. Great. So now I can explain everything to you. What am I doing? How is it going? And what actually I am about to do. So, let's see. Last time we added advertisement in here, and we need to probably start working more on design. Where is my cursor? It's in here. And I need to get my Figma. Where is my Figma? Figma is in here. There are my balconies. I need to find my design. I guess it's this one. Great. Let's start. So first of all, I probably want to... First of all, okay, deny. I probably want to fix the pre-selection, right? Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna tell on the game screen, can you please the pre-selection of the... What if I will do it just a full color, if I'm gonna make this color in here? Oops. Oops. No, not good. That was better. So we're gonna copy paste it just like it is. Can you on the game please make pre-selection of the level to select the stroke of the... Not to select to color. There's a stroke. Is it going to be stroke or border? Well, the border of the font, like I show you on the image. Let's see. Today we're going to do small changes, small fixes, small little things, and we will see how is it going to work. And we would need to have a lot of problems. Problems, it's a chess problems. There is a whole concept of chess problems. I got very inspired by chess actually very, very randomly, because I watched this super interesting, super inspiring movie about Judith Polgar. I hope I pronounce properly her name, about how she won Kasparov. And chess is something was incremented in my childhood, like whole family playing chess, my school with mandatory chess classes. And I was always super worried when I had to play chess. And so yeah, I decided like, let's do it. Let's do a chess game. So, you know what is going on, guys? It's a football in Spain today between Barcelona and Madrid. Probably it's going to be noisy today. Anyway, so Let's see what his cursor is doing. Updated. Let's run and see if it's gonna change. Perfect. Can you please make it even more bold? And then I would need to work on the game itself. There's some stuff that is not really visible. This can be better. Change difficulty also can be better. Also, I don't see any history of our game in here, right? Let's see. Did I did it? Okay, I didn't notice it. All right, what we did in here, but at least it's working. So great, let's run. We're gonna do design stuff. I have a little help with the database about the whole problems of chess. Like, I don't know if people know what is problem. Chess problem is basically when you have the board, but you have like several figures on the board and they are in a special position, and you kind of like have exercises when you need to put check mate in the 3 steps or 1 step or something like this. That's what is called the problems in chess. And I will do a separate database for it, and let's call it like consulting with professionals about this. Okay, so, well, something is not good, or it's good. What do I think about it? How does it look like? Well, it looked like not something that I would probably stop. Well, let's try make it even more bolder. Right here is way more bold. Yeah. Even more bold, please. Please. I want to see if there is a difference. So new MacBooks, new OS update, they have a feature that is called Age Light. I just turned it on, and I hope maybe people can see that I'm like, now I'm supposed to be more like beautiful, like a superstar or something. Okay, let's run again. See if it's working. Well, I don't like it, but I don't want to stop the whole development because of it. And also I feel like it should, like, maybe I did already too much. It's hard for me to know what is wrong. I don't know. Anyway, it's time to make start game. Let's gonna do this. The icon in here is quite bad. Like this one is very bad. It should not be like this. We're gonna probably redesign some stuff today. Can you please also make the start game button with bigger font and bigger width. And I need to make a screenshot this one. You can see the reference on the screenshot. Okay, you got a screenshot. So design I also did myself after some investigation on internet, Pinterest, etc., just to see how is it better. So I don't just picked it up like randomly. There was some logic behind of what I'm doing. All right, should be more. The button should be even more wider. Can you please make it wider? Yeah, it doesn't change. What did you do? I'm gonna iterate it a little bit, then I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna move my screens because I'm constantly running right to open Android Studio, and it got a little bit annoying. So yes, I really think that I feel like chess are getting into fashion. Is it wider? Is it really? So let me see, where is it? It's in here. No? Where is it? Okay, it's this. Spacer. Start game is this one. So let's put 120. Nothing change? Good. I'm gonna clean it. Run again. I don't see the difference. Am I changed something? But this is for the text, no? No, this is image. Well, I will try this, but I'm not sure if that's the correct approach, what I'm doing right now. Oh, well, actually it is. Okay. All right. So let's put 150. I don't like to define it like this, but we will proceed with what we have. Okay. This is better, but we need to I increased the width of the button too. I will put 130 actually. I guess it's gonna be more beautiful. Like this. $130, but can you please fit inside the text so it will look like on the second screenshot, so the text will be written in 2 lines and bigger. Oh, I forgot to put the second screenshot, but whatever. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Am I lagging? How is the sound? La 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 la. Again, the lag is happening. Oh my god. Really? Oh, hello. So lag is there. Okay, I'm gonna put just a little bit my headphones to listen what is going on. This makes me so upset. This is just really, I did everything what I can. La la lam, la la lam. What if I gonna change hers? Maybe now it's better. Maybe now it's better. Okay, gonna hope. No, it's still. I feel like maybe if I gonna put my microphone far from me, maybe it's gonna be better like this. Like now, am I lagging and I'm not lagging? What's going on? I am. It doesn't matter. Maybe now it's better. It's not. And now? Boy, it's so bad. Something has happened, but it's not on YouTube, so I have no idea what's wrong. Constant struggle with this microphone. All right. So, okay, it decided. Can you make a button still a bit wider? Let's see, it should work. All right. Well, maybe a little bit. Why my microphone is lagging? It's really second stream and I cannot fix it. Okay, let's do the next screen, this one. We're gonna commit the changes. And we're gonna go to ChatGPT. Hi. I'm streaming. I'm gonna describe to ChatGPT all my suffer and struggle. Right, I'm streaming right now on Twitch and on YouTube. On Twitch, and on Twitch I have terrible lag and clips, and I don't even know how to It's clipping, lagging. How to even call it? Oh, Manjilo, rating a party of 10. Thank you so much. And oh my God, with rate of party of 10, I'm facing terrible sound problems right now. So I don't know why. I need to apologize, really. I don't know why the sound is lagging so much. I'm trying now to figure out this with ChatGPT, actually. But everyone, very welcome here. We are doing a lot of vibe coding. My name is Marina. I'm originally Ukrainian. I live for 11 years in Spain. A lot of times I complain because my languages are all super mixed and it's hard for me to express in one language. And also I published quite a lot of application on App Store and Google Play. I work in IT field all my life. And also I do sometimes illustrations in Figma of balconies of Barcelona. So very, very welcome in here. Let me try to find you some links. So this is actually Google Play. And I'm gonna give you App Store. Just a moment. Yeah, on App Store I have less applications, but still. Boo. Hello. Hello. I don't know. I'm really, I apologize again for all my sound problems. Which AI models you are using? You see, I have Cursor in here and there is a GPT-5.3. And that's pretty much it. I know a lot of people constantly suggesting to me, go for Claude, go for Gemini, but I just do Cursor. That's all. There's maybe I just used to it. We are quite hard. We're resistant to a lot of stuff that we are doing right now. So what we are doing today is a chess game. As I say that I am actually very impressed. What is it sound working now? Good? What was that? What bad destiny or what was happening? I don't know. And try not to touch anything. I watched recently a movie about Judith Polgar, which is she's a chess player, the only one person who managed to win Kasparov. Of course, everybody know. Well, I don't know if everybody know Kasparov, but he was like a super top player of chess, and I was so impressed because it felt to me like when I'm not impressed that she won when she was playing with Kasparov, but it was more impressive to me the whole approach of the movie, how they explained that her father decided that her and 3 other sisters gonna be like chess players, that he decided that they're gonna study at home, not in the school, and how he built up the whole career for them. So it was like super inspiring for me, but not to play chess, but to develop chess. So I went on vacation. On my vacation, I just decided, okay, if I'm gonna tell Cursor, can you make a chess game for me? This is pretty much, I picked up already someone open sourced the whole logic for chess playing. So it's not that some kind of a new logic in here that plays chess itself, right, in here. And for now, it's only like one-sided offline game. So that's what we are doing right now. Anyway, we committed the changes. Here we have our original screen. And now let's move to the board. Let's take a look on Figma, how I had it. More or less like this. I did it quite lazy. Just copy-pasted some board and decided it's going to be a good approach. But let's see. So now I'm going to say on the game screen, what do I want to change? I want to the white figures. So we have the white squares. Yeah. The white squares of the board should be a little bit more gray, as the white figures are not visible on white squares, and also make the white figures fully white, comma, not only contour. Let's see, it should work. Now it's a football match between Madrid and Barcelona. Everybody, I expected it, but everybody are just like screaming, shouting. I can hear it. Let's take a look. Maybe design is not the best. I always struggle a lot with design, because when I was doing this design, I was like, okay, wow, this is so beautiful. I'm sure it's perfect. And then I'm like doing it and I'm like, I don't like it. So it's forever struggle for me. Okay, well, start game. It is way better. Okay, there are a little distance between the rows on the little distance on the board. Can you remove it? I'm gonna make a screenshot. It's in here. So now it's not lagging. It's super weird for me that it's like this. I mean the sound. And now yes, la 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 la. No, seem to be all right. It's like last stream was super bad. Like, so this icon is very not user friendly. We need maybe to change it, but I'm thinking how. That is not something that I like. Maybe I should pick up this one, or maybe I just like this. But I had another idea. Something like this. Oh, we're lagging again, right? It's hard for me to understand why. So I wanted to make something like this. Oh my God. Like really, why so bad? This really kills me. Or I can make a horse icon in here. Maybe this is better. Or not. Like this is better. I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT to try to understand what's going on with my microphone. Meanwhile, ChatGPT is working, so the logical code is already done. As I said, it's not it's actually I picked up the logic for the game. It was already open source logic that it was just picked up from there. But I mean, as far as I see that there are like different approaches to how this logic is developed, and also you can make it like kind of like different because some of them are easier, some of them are harder. So now it's not lagging, right? My sound now is good. What is going on? Or is it when his cursor is working? We're gonna, or no? And now it's, how is it? Just yeah. The Streamlabs is saying your stream quality is good, but it's not. I don't know. I don't know how to fix it, but it was not like this until I updated the whole system. Anyway, let's see. It was better. So this should be a bit more transparent. Ah, I know what I here I like that it's actually has. Yeah, it's probably when the cursor is working, it's lagging. Oh, not. that there is contour, right? I'm gonna pick it up. Can you please make the figures size on the board bigger and white figures keep us. I'm gonna give exact colors. 1, 2. It's gonna be a black one. Color and black figures as color. Which color was there? This one, comma, but please add stroke, add a black stroke to the figures, as you can see on the screenshot. Or if no, we would need to find those. Clashing everything. And then we would need to generate. Okay, I actually can generate in the same style. This horse is AI generated. So I will find it where I was generating it. We have, okay, we have a black horse also. Now I'm gonna say, can you please now generate same style, white rook, right? It's the correct name, it's rook. I hope so. All right, this is better. Is it better? Is it or not? Maybe I can change it. Can you please make white spacing of the board around the board equal on all the sides? All right, great. Oh, my cat is here. Knew it, hello. Oh, knew it, you know what I did? Hello, okay, my cat needs some attention. Xena, come. You know what this animal did? yesterday. Oh, no, 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 you cannot jump on my laptop. You cannot. I'm not gonna allow you to do this. This cat, yesterday, got her manicure, got her nails cutted yesterday. And as soon as she did it, she scratched my chair. Immediately. Immediately. Right, Xena? That's what you do. Yes, yes. Great. Now I'm gonna say, let's see what I'm writing, Ken. Xena. Can you please can I show you more of Xena? What did you do? I did chess in 3D. So I decided that I want to try it out. So I picked up Unity and the application that I do right now. Look at this. I just passed in here. Let me, if Xena will allow me to show you. Of course, you're gonna bite me. Okay, let me make it bigger. I'm gonna make it like this. You see? So basically it is, you can rotate it. You can, okay, I cannot show you. Well, I guess you can already play those, but Xena is not allowing me to show, so just gonna give up. Ay, Dios mío. Yes, I did, but I actually just picked up the whole 3D figures just from the Unity free market because it would be too long. I wanted to. I lost my flip flop. What do you think I'm doing there? I'm just losing my flip flop. Just as my online streams are looking like this right now. So yeah, just decided to see if it's possible, and it is. And this woman next to me recently just scratched my chair so hard that I was just like in shock. How are you? Knew it. Is all good? Okay, let's take a look. And now I want to stretch. Oh, who was licking me? Everybody screaming because of the football game. All right, now I'm gonna just say that now make the board it's going crazy. Everybody playing football now, it's crazy. Can you please now make the board according to the screams that I hear, Barcelona is winning. That's what I can know for sure. So board width by the screen there should be no space between the edges and board. Crazy screaming. Mentally elsewhere, physically also elsewhere, digitally here. It just decided to bite me and run away. I'm struggling with the microphone after update of OS version. Sometimes it's lagging, sometimes not. I don't know what's going on. Now it is lagging. But it's not hardware for sure, because I'm basically streaming on YouTube and everything is all right. Start game. Okay, this is way better. Dun, dun, dun. Checking what is white. Okay. And probably here I want to add a stroke, like a contour around. Right? Oh, what have I done? Like on the screenshot. Elsewhere. I'm trying to do a little bit also of my Ukrainian YouTube. And I was just today saying how much I'm stubborn. Because it doesn't matter what, I never ended up. You should make cheese pieces animated. I would love to. Also, you mean on Unity or in the one that I'm doing now? Then it's here. Okay, and meanwhile I'm generating. Oh. Xena is back. No, Xena, you cannot. You just cannot jump on my laptop. You cannot. No. Xena, no. Both, yeah. Xena, come here. That's how I work. Like this. I was just trying to stream calmly. That's what we have. Just gonna leave her here to do it. Why not? Yeah, she wants to play. For sure. I can see it very clearly. Okay, this is not bad. What did I change last time? Ah, it's a stroke around. Let's see. This is better. Okay. Difficulty. Let me see if we're changing. You can get my one cat doing 2-meter high backflips with string. Yeah, they're quite easily manipulated, but she's like, you know, we had to go to vet, and sometimes I really think that she just understands what I say, because I told her, look, we're going to vet, and she got, like, at least I think that she started to worry. So I really assume that somehow cats understand something. They do understand at least a little bit of my speech. At least that's what I want to believe. Okay, so I'm gonna write, can you please add the history of the game to the game screen so users can see who which step did. Now it's the cat stream, not Chervinsky. It's for sure the cat stream, not Chervinsky, like 100%, like all my streams. So the users can see who which step did during the game. And also, please make the, I don't even know how I want to do it. Okay, let's say it like, please move the button, change difficulty to the top next to the, oh, she's just laying down on my hand. Well, it's all right. I'm gonna make myself more comfortable next to the difficulty. Title on the top. And the game history window on the bottom. And also you can what is going on? Someone is screaming. My neighbors are screaming, shouting. Probably one of my neighbors is from Madrid and another from Barcelona. They're fighting now because Barcelona is winning. Could be. And also, can you add the arrows to play the chess further, no, to play chess back, so user can see on the board prior positions, and arrows to go back to the current / last state, comma, but if a user is observing a prior figure's positions, he should not be able to move his figures. Let's go. I hope I explained it quite understandable. So I have a queen. I'm here generating an images, and now king. Please. So I have a whole set of white cards. Now I'm gonna add those to my project on Android Studio. Meanwhile, this one is working, so actually I don't need to add anything. I'm gonna edit from Finder. Downloads. We have this 2, 3. We're gonna add those one in here. No, cancel actually. Need to rename them. So this one is, I see horse figure. So this is gonna be I see queen figure. This one gonna be IC brown. That's how it's called, I hope. And rook. And also I need to get a king. King is on its way. Oh, so my steps are ready. Let's see if it's gonna work. Expert, start game. So what do we have here? It's perfect. Let's see, game history. It is writing down. All right. I don't know if you can hear it, but my cat is snoring. My cat is like, try to hear it. No more snoring, Xena. Or maybe it's not her. I don't understand because everybody's screaming and shouting right now. Okay, where is my king? Now we're gonna upload more figures and we're gonna make it even better. But there is some stuff that I'm not fully like happy with, and it's basically, what is this sound? Is it colors? Maybe this is my phone and someone is writing me. Oh yeah, actually it is. OMG. Am I good at chess? I am not good at chess, but I know how to play chess because I'm not playing that often, but all my family play chess. I grew up with mandatory chess classes in my school, so I guess I'm all right. I can play. Let's call it like this. And I'm inspired. Also, I'm getting emotional. I'm getting like, Anyway, so let's see. I am trying to add here all the figures on my encyclopedia. It's going to be king. Now I'm going to show you what I generated here. I'm generating illustrations, like ChatGPT generated illustrations of the figures. Now we're going to make here, can you please make the color of the figures, or the color of the white figures, like, what is this color? No, she's snoring. My cat is snoring. It's unbelievable. She's so cute. Oh my god. And she just sitting, like, this reminds me a little bit like a mushroom after a rain. She just appear and sit here, just like in here, like a mushroom after a rain. Mushrooms that are growing in the forest after a rain? That's my cat. She's next to me, like a mushroom. That's my comparison that I have for her. Which color we said it's in here? Yes, she's snoring. She's snoring. It's funny. Craziness. Okay, let's put it this color FFF also, comma, and make these ones. Let's say, whoa, what is going on? What is going on? I want more steps. Plop, 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 plop. Perfect. Tuck, 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 tuck. Computer syncing, but I want to screenshot these buttons. History buttons, navigation, color. Which color I even want? Do I know? Do I know? I like those buttons, they're quite nice, but we need to make them. Maybe these colors would be good, right? So we're gonna for active button, plop. Also, no, for now let's do this and then we will. She's snoring. She's just snoring. Unbelievable. Guys, I see that there are new follows on YouTube. Thank you so much for follows. I really appreciate it so much. And also, Withao has followed you. Thank you so much also for follow. I really appreciate it. It's very cool for me. Cats can sleep anytime, anywhere, if there is no danger. You know, like my cat, she actually even can follow the schedule. Like 1 hour before normally that I go normally to sleep, she's already getting ready and she's like going in the box. I mean, she got a little bit sick, and I got super disappointed. But I mean, she's just amazing. And I always say about her, she's the one who trained to go to human toilet. She always go to human toilets, and there was no problem with her at all, never. And she's like, if the toilet is busy, she would start to scream and shout and try to kick out people out of the toilet just because she needs to go. She's superhuman and just, I don't know, really, really, really just amazed with her. Okay, so this is done. Let's run it, and then we're gonna improve a couple of more design stuff. So we have here hard, start game, snoring. I hope you can see that she's snoring. Okay, now I need to firstly go. Take me. Your turn. Plop, plop, plop. And back to the beginning. Perfect. I think it's very good. This color that I don't really like. And also in the... There were some design styles that I don't like. But anyway, let's comment the changes. Because this game, I want to really polish it. I want it to be super beautiful, super like neat. We committed the changes and I'm gonna move slightly. We have these 4 images that I'm gonna move to this folder. Refactor. Just gonna copy paste this stuff. I added these images to the drawables. Can you please use them as another figure images for the Learn tab? Let's see if it's gonna do it. So I believe that we need to make some changes in here, like this color in here make no sense. It should be like this, white and transparent, right? So now I realize what I want to do. for the buttons of history of the game, this color for non-active button, can you please use a white color, but make it also transparent, please? And I'm pretty much sure that I want to change this pre-selection, which is like, why? Maybe I want to have like a line, the blue line that crosses. I think I know how I want to do it. Forever struggle with design. All right, learn. Do we have different images? No. Why you lied to me? What? Okay. What have I done? I don't hear really bad. Okay, let's try. Can I? Is it gonna change something, or should I? Oh no. But come on, this one is. Why is it generated so badly? ChatGPT, what have you done? Well, whatever, we're gonna keep it like this. But we need to change. We need to change actually the namings, or why is it not working? Okay, now we are stuck. We are loading. Is that so hard? Come on, I mean, like, oh my god. I'm literally force quitting Android Studio because it was not capable to process my stuff. Let's go. So good, we launched, but we are not showing the proper images, and on the game this one is not working. Oh my god. Or it was old. So probably it was old. I'm rushing too much. Okay, this is good. This is how I imagined it more. Sorry. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. You take my. You take it. You take it here. Take it, take it. Take it. Take it, I told you. Take it, I'm gonna take you. What are you thinking about there? I'm scared of you. What are your computers thinking? Oops. Ooh, la 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 la. You decided to attack me with this? Take me here, take me here. I'm gonna take you. Come on, come on. Okay. Let's proceed. I want to fix this part. So we're using this one, bishop. Hook. Ah, wait. So it. I forgot to generate the bishop. That's the problem. That's a problem. And I can try. Oops. Oh my god, is it true? So if it's a bug. If I start the game and I go here, the game ends. It's a heavy bug. Can you please fix an issue that if a user started a game and navigates to another tabs of the game, for example learn, and then goes to the back, not and then, or goes to background and then back, we are not ending the game but keep it active until the user is killing the game, or what do we have here? Changes the difficulty. I got an idea. We're gonna make a widget of the chess. I'm gonna do it now. Amazing. I love my idea. Let's do it. I'm whispering because I think that if I whisper, my terrible microphone is not lagging. And as soon as I speak loud, my microphone is lagging. But now it's not lagging. Okay. How is my bishop image generation is working? Great, it's actually working. Great. Now I'm gonna rename it. Let's take this example. We're gonna use it in here. It's bishop. We move it back in here. Add, copy path. Can you please use for learn bishop figure a proper image, which is this. My cat is still sleeping. All right, it's done. Let's run and see. We need to commit. Hard, start game. perfect. This is working actually very good. Not sure about the quality. It's quite pixelated in here, but it's still working, right? I don't know. Let's do crazy moves. All right, and we will try to go to background. I don't know, open calm loop, and we are getting back, and it should be okay. And this is working still, right? Change difficulty, beginner, start game. Perfect. Good, good, good. Probably on next stream I would need to think about the winning and losing, like congratulations or like your loser screen. And what else I want to do? Okay. I want to make this design, so Xena is too heavy on my hand. So now we're gonna write in here. Can you please make the learn screen more like the one I show you here, and please make the figure bigger. And add a bit more text with description. So after that I can add way more knowledge base about the chess. If only you can imagine how heavy my cat is on my hand. How can I show you this? So this is my hand, and this is, I'm like holding her like this, and she's just like surprised, like, oh, what is going on? Oh, okay, she's just expressing that she's not happy that I'm moving at all. Xena. Maybe it's gonna be pixelated now too much, but it's actually doesn't look that bad from what ChatGPT generated to me, right? It's look all right. Okay, learn. Make the figure images even more big, right? There's some weird stuff in here that ChatGPT for some reason decided to add, like a little spark, or like, what is this? Maybe I just need to Photoshop it. But no, it's working very good. Oh yeah. Very nice. We now need to change this screen. So on my Figma in here, these ones are smaller. And actually, sorry for the lag. So I want to make it like this. Should be no drop shadow. Maybe it should be darker. That's what I can do. Probably like this. I know it's not fitting any design strategy, but no, not good. So I keep it like this. Gonna do like this. Oh, Xena. All right, so I will make a screenshot of this. We will try to make changes in this screen. Ah, wait, actually we put a horse in there. On the game selection of the level screen, can you please make a selection different? Make it not like a brown border, but highlight the whole string of the level with white background and make a text color. Gonna make it this. Or maybe actually this start game is alright. Let's try to add a bit more contrast. Let's see if it's gonna work. And I need to change those icons. Why my sound is lagging, always lagging. I hate it. Guys, I'm really apologizing for this terrible sound noise. So the bishop, queen and king guy should regenerate. Wow, so much lagging. Nice. Can you make the levels font a bit smaller and make a white background string that is showing a selected to be wide from the edge of the screen to the edge of the screen. Done. Something is missing. Maybe I should add the choose difficulty. Make the levels font even smaller. Can you move the icon of the horse to the left and add choose difficulty text? Okay, as on the screenshot. Okay, I need to show you my cat because it's getting super cool. This is my cat right now. Xena. All right, we added this. Is the Pando cat's name? Oh, it got worse. Sorry, revert. I don't like it. Yeah, it could be. Why not? So she's covering her nose. Look at this. See, no. Oy, oy, oy. It's too cute. I have one idea. Can you please regenerate the bishop more like on the example on the screenshot, and don't put so much golden sparks around? Yeah, this is better. Can you just put all the elements on the center of the screen, comma, now it's all too much to the top. And I want to make one different stuff. So we have here, where is it? This one, right? So I want to copy it and rename it with the same name but with black. Gonna put refactor, add, and I will add here. Can you please add another functionality for the learn screen, and once user tap on the figure, you show corresponding figure, but figure image, but the black one. For instance, for the horse, it's... Oi, I'm copy pasting the image. What? Let's try with horse, and if it's good, I will proceed with others. But before, before doing all the other figures, I want to add widget, a chess widget. My microphone is just like, oh. Did you know that cats are good quality engineers? I say good quality engineers only for foods they eat. That's that's what they can quality engineer. Very good. I'm surprised that people are like watching my lagged stream. I'm sorry, I don't know how to do it. How to fix it. It's terrible. Need to find some time to make it better. Actually, I just noticed it. You're a ginger cat. That's why you like cats so much. All right, let's see if it's gonna work. Great, it's better. Well, can be more beautiful, but still, we're gonna keep it. So easy, start game. Aha, I wanted to change parts in here. Yeah, amazing. That's exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted. All right, let's... There is something that I don't like in here. On the game screen, can you put an icon of the horse a bit up so the bigger distance between the levels and the horse will appear. Meanwhile, I'm okay. I have a better bishop. Now we have please better the queen. Really? Great. Now we can say we're gonna say in the game screen please make the difficulty level, change difficulty and the history records with bold font. We need to commit all the stuff. Hate that it's lagging. Okay, we're going aggressive game. I want to see. Aha, scroll is working. Perfect, right? Here on another screen, I'm just generating some images. It is for sure software, Gingercat. I'm simultaneously streaming on YouTube and on Twitch. And after updating to the latest Mac OS version, I started to have it. I never had it. And like all my life, I was streaming like years on OBS and Streamlabs. My only concern is that we can make today we're gonna make a test. I will finish earlier a stream on YouTube because I believe that there is a problem between audio distribution between OBS and Streamlabs, because I I don't want to pay extra money for streaming software, so I just downloaded OBS and Streamlabs, and I'm streaming from those. But there are some problems around this. And now king, please. So horse is good, rook is good, this is good, not good, not good, not good. And then we're gonna generate a black one. But for now, my favorite part, can you please make a widget that is about chess game on the widget? And I'm gonna just leave it like this. Let's see what it's gonna do. Meanwhile, cursor is making widget. We're going to see how we can generate all the figures. So we have we have a new one that is bishop and queen. Which I will rename it. We should substitute it. Overwrite, perfect. Next one would be queen. We're going to do the same. Let's run it if it's working. Oh well, what? You already did it? I was not expecting such a fast coding. Let's see. Beginner. Here is all right. It's more bold. Let's see if my font in here is more bold. Yeah, it's more bold. Okay, good. Well, why so much shadow in here? It's just... This is better. let's take a look on the widget. So, widgets. Chess. Oh, this is very smart from ChatGPT to have a button open game. It was the medium. So I just asked to put figures in there. I don't want to have open game widget. It makes no sense. Meanwhile, let me see. Queen is queen is done. King is ready. I just need to change the bishop. Wow. Great. Well, at least this one is working. So we need to change those icons. This is really cool effect that I did. What if I will change the color of the text also to the black? No, let's make a test. Guys. Now the login is gone. And maybe it is. Or not. La 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 la. Is it gone? No. I guess I found the issue. It's because my OBS was not using the Chrome. Chrome capsule. Oh no, it's lagging again. Is it lagging? Help me. I don't know if it's lagging. Well, at least I tried. So yeah, this effect in here that I did is so cool. So I want to make now that we also change the color of the title. Let's see. No, my lag is not gone. Where is my king? All right. This is my king. We'll add this one again. Football players are screaming next to me. So we will add this one here. Right. And I want to change those icons. So I need to export. Perfect, right? So I'm gonna tell this one will be export. This would be I see learn. SVG replace. So the game is learn, right? So we're gonna do rename. We're gonna call it learn 777. This one we're gonna call learn. If I run, the icons should be changed. So much screaming. Oi, clicked on the advertisement. So, nothing changed. Okay, I can just remake it. So this will be learn. I see. Yes. This one, right? Game changed, but learn didn't. Because we did a refactor. Okay. For the learn bottom bar icon, what is this? Sorry. Icon, can you please use icon? No, I see. Learn XML instead of this. Great, and for problems we agreed to use just this one. Where's IC game? Okay, so I need to export it again. And I woke up. It's going to be AC. Game. Replace. New vector. AC game. Open. Next. Finish. Copy. And for the game, bottom bar button, please use this. Okay, let's take a look. What about the widget? The widget is working. Can I make it bigger? No? Oh my god, well, whatever. Do we have chess applications like this? Or it just is something that no one never did? So happy. It's actually working. There are some tuning that I have to do. Oh, Excel. Just could not achieve. My hand is just not working because Xena was sleeping on it too much. It's a sleepy hand. All right, that's great. All right. Amazing. Just so happy. Great. So we're gonna say commit the changes. Meanwhile, I'm generating the black figures. I feel like this is such a cool result, such a cool application. Wow. Great. So now, if I open my chess up, I should see all of the icon properly as I want to. My head is sleepy. Here's more or less good. Learn game, but problems. I see. Wait a second. What's going on? Did some wrong stuff. My cat looks surprised about what I did. My cat just wants me not to move. She's licking me, Xen. Please. Why is it happening? Okay. So game should be different. What have I done? I see problems. Why? Replace. Export. Game. Replace, and this one. Learn. Replace. So now I will do new vector. Game. Finish. New vector. problems. Open, finish, vector, learn, finish. Now it should work, and we would need to commit. Okay, this is better. Commit the changes. We have already black king, black bishop. We need to get a black queen. We need to have black pawn. Wow, people are screaming. And black rook. That's what we're gonna do. Right. Meanwhile, I will try to improve slightly my UI. See if it's gonna work. For the game screen with the figures and board, you probably cannot see. Let me show you. My cat is here. Well, as soon as I try to show you, she's trying to... No, show yourself, say hi. Well, yeah, she's here, but probably she will just go to sleep. Hello, kek, 8 kek. Kek, 8 kek. Hello. For the game screen, why my sound is lagging? I'm again apologizing. I just wanted too much to go stream that I didn't fix it, but something is obviously wrong. So for the game screen with figures and board, make ow, Xena. Make the blue selection of the possible figure movements a bit transparent, so that user can slightly see the chess squares. Meanwhile, let's see if I got all the black figures. Actually, something so cool, I cannot believe it. All right. Now, we need Android Studio. Bishop. Taking an image of this, and I need to find a black bishop. Here we go. Then we have king, black, and we have next pawn. And next we have queen. Oops, it was a rook. Sorry. And the last is pawn. Okay. Great. So now all of this I need to move in here. Yes, this is again our vibe coding. You want that or not, but vibe coding will be here for quite a while. Yeah, well, I don't know if you saw, I had already a couple of scandals around this in my channel, because I had a guy who joined like my stream, and like it's written that it's vibe coding stream. Okay, for me it's opening quite a lot, and I do fast stuff, easy stuff without any damage to anyone. And as soon as like he asked me which application did you do, I shared my applications, and he said, "I'm never gonna download your vibe coded stuff." And I'm like, all right. I mean, I never forced you to, and I'm sure you are right now already using half of your mobile applications that are vibe coded, or half of not vibe coded applications is for sure vibe coded. So I mean, my sound is lagging so much. That's not good. So let's see. Problems? No. This one. Start game. Why is it like this? Why my sound is so bad? You are planning to get profit from this app, or is just learning attentions? For Twitch users, I am also simultaneously streaming on YouTube, so I'm replying to some stuff on YouTube. I'm always planning to get some profit, always. But of course, it's also learning. I think for me, it's all together. But of course, you see, I already added test advertisement in my application, so for sure, I'm not doing it properly because there should be a whole marketing approach, whole monetization, how you do it, and I'm not doing it right, but I'm doing it. You know, how we have a boxer, Usyk, a Ukrainian boxer, and he always say, I very feel, so I very do. That's how I approach my mobile application development. And I really like it, I really enjoy it. And as I say, vibe coding is making it better for me. So I want to make this effect now for all the figures. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna copy this, comma. Knight we already have, king. as a child, you dreamed you were grown in Spain? What? Oh, Xenia is back. We next have this. Xen, you a bit disturbing me. Oh my god. Hysterical cat. Now you're gonna hear a domino effect whilst my cat is jumping. I don't know if you heard it, but you know, some people with vibe coding does more stuff than I do with my classic coding. I see vibe coding as junior developer. This needs exact instruction to do what you want to do. I see it from maybe like you, but a little bit. I have another thought. So my parents are developers, and I grew up when they were like studying COBOL and binary code. And for my parents, I saw that they're like, they need to understand really the root. They would not be calm if their like algorithm would do something that they're not fully aware of. Oh my god, just a second. I need to calm down my cat. Just a moment. No, she destroyed everything. Okay, it doesn't matter. So white bear. So like for my parents, it was like quite a crazy idea to not understand what they have in their code. And eventually, what we do right now, classic coding, constant usage of someone library, constant like copy pasting parts from Google from Stack Overflow, etc., etc. So maybe this is just another step of all this stuff that we are just picking up. All right, let's take a look. So now please implement this black variants of my images and use them the same way as you did for night. And so once I click on a figure, we change the image / change the color. Vodka very good. Vodka plus cola. Interesting. All right, and I wanted, let's see if, I wanted to make here, it's lagging again. So yeah, I probably need to make something with my, it's not transparent, right? I ask to make this a bit transparent. I see you found each other. Ginger cat and cake. You found each other on my stream. Okay, can you please make this blue preselection of the possible figures movement. Can you please make this blooper selection of possible figure movements a little transparent, please, so user can see beneath the chessboard and see which cell is black and which is white. Ah, come on. Okay, so the figures should work now. Wow, I did so much during the stream. I don't need more alcoholic friends. I never expected today's stream arrive to this conversation. I see that you're using GPT Codex model. Is it your preferred one, or you think that this is the best of use case? Well, you can see the new models that they do. So normally I try to use this one, but then you're getting out of tokens and you are starting to use whatever you can. That's pretty much the life that we have. It's not, we did such a hard stuff right now. And he cannot do this. Okay. A bit more blue, like which color I want to. Oh, what's going on? So let's say all right. Тані, мене звати Света. Я Света. Yeah, I saw that I also missed some questions on YouTube, but it's alright. No, I'm just joking. Guys. All right, let's see if it changed it. No, I'm just saying this because I have Ukrainian YouTube video, and Kek I speak Ukrainian, and I'm not Slavic, but unfortunately I understand Russian a bit. So I don't know, Kek, what you're trying to say. So just in one video, I was like talking too much, and eventually I just say that my name is Sveta. So I'm joking. Like the one Ukrainians who watch the videos, they probably understand the reference. That's why no, it's got even worse. Okay, remove any transparency and just use the color. And just use the color, this one. All right. Done. So he was doing transparency and nothing. I I didn't understand anything. Sveta isn't and not Slavic. Thank you, Kekekimitu. It's a ginger cat wrote that he is not Slavic. But maybe ginger cat is Sveta. Ginger cat, are you this Sveta? Oh no, this is very, very good. This is way better, right? Again lagging. Ay, 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 ay. You get a very alcoholic conversation, like sincerely. Yeah. All right. So this is working. This is working. The last part we need to change is a widget, but let's see if it's working. This is good. Perfect. 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 And even more perfect. Good. I will keep it for now. I wanted to change the title of the figure name, but now I think that it's good. Less noise. Let's comment the stuff. Та я ж кажу, взагалі то Света, чи може Паша, чи як там. По-різному, як коли як. Дивлячись, з яким алкоголіком розмовляю. Great, committed. And oh, look, it's actually refresh, and it's not working. Anyway, I have to finish my stream for now, but it was like we did a huge work today. Ah, no, wait, it's probably because there is a game ongoing. Okay, let's try to remove. Add widget. Chess. All right. All right, I'm not gonna do it now. So, well, I see that you understand Ukrainian very good, so I'm provoking everyone to subscribe also to my Ukrainian channel, but I make it already fully in Ukrainian, so I don't know if people from Spain for sure not gonna understand, but other countries maybe, I don't know. I will rate you, but first of all, let me finish. I wanted to try out because this lagging, it's a second stream in a row and I cannot get rid of it. Let me finish the stream on YouTube first. Alco. Let me finish the stream and then I will try to test my microphone. So on YouTube, guys, on YouTube. I never rate you anywhere because I don't know how to rate on YouTube. So, bye. Thank you. And I will try to fix my microphone right now. Stop. It's OBS.